Welcome to our channel Roadthrills. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Bajaj RE Auto Rickshaw, the latest innovation in transportation that's ready to redefine comfort, efficiency, and sustainability. The 2025 Bajaj RE boasts a fresh, contemporary design. From its aerodynamic build to vibrant color options, this rickshaw is a head-turner on the streets. The addition of LED headlights, stylish alloy wheels, and an updated grille gives it a premium feel while ensuring maximum visibility and safety. Step inside, and you'll notice the 2025 Bajaj RE is designed with both the driver and passenger in mind. The spacious cabin features ergonomic seats with extra cushioning for longer rides. The new digital dashboard includes a multifunctional display showing speed, battery level, and trip data at a glance. Safety takes center stage with the 2025 Bajaj RE. It's equipped with an advanced braking system, high visibility tail lights, and a sturdy frame designed to protect passengers and drivers alike. Whether it's day or night, this rickshaw ensures you're always in safe hands. Here's where it gets really smart. The 2025 Bajaj RE offers connectivity options for tracking your vehicle, scheduling maintenance, and even navigation assistance. It's like having a smart assistant right in your auto. Priced competitively, the 2025 Bajaj RE is built for drivers who want more value without compromising on quality. Its low maintenance costs and high durability make it a favorite among fleet owners and individual drivers alike. The 2025 Bajaj RE isn't just a rickshaw, it's a revolution in urban transport. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or sustainability, this is the ride for you. So, what are you waiting for? Experience the future with Bajaj today. Bajaj RE 2025, the future of mobility. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest in automobiles and technology.